Our drone cage is something that we've been working at. It's in my background as we speak currently, and it gives us a lot of capabilities. And part of those capabilities is what we've additionally launched today, which is our drone club. What the drone club will do is that it will bring together enthusiasts, drone professionals, and hobbyists in this sector of ours together to form a club. And they will be having activities. It will be a place where you can exchange ideas, where you can do a lot of kind of workshops and seminars as a drone club, since this technology is evolving very fast. The second thing that the drone club will help us do is to bring about testing of drones. At Fahari Aviation, we are looking at a future where we would like to develop our own equipment. We are not doing that currently, but we are in collaboration with various organizations from other countries that are developing drones.
Fahari Aviation, as you've heard, has already set itself apart as a leader when it comes to the use of the unmanned airspace systems for commercial use in agriculture, wildlife conservation, and training of drone pilots in the region. Through the drone cage, we hope to see enhanced innovation, research, and development of the UAS technology in our communities through interactive works across partners, corporates, universities, industries, and individuals. With the launch of the Fahari Drone Club, which we are doing today, we hope to develop an environment and a community that will accelerate innovation, knowledge, exchange, and impact the use of unmanned aircraft within the country and beyond, while exploring and utilizing the drone phenomenon.
Everywhere in the world, everybody is worried about drone operations because of two things: safety and security challenges it poses. So for all of you who will operate a drone, all what we ask is operate them within the confines of those regulations, and we'll ensure that those who are outside those regulations, very punitive measures are taken so that we don't get out of hand. Drones are increasingly playing a central and pivotal role in revolutionizing aviation industry. As evidenced by the number of drones imported into the country, Kenya is quickly becoming a key regional trailblazer for drone operations.
Eric Maweo,